United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 222. Enforcement with respect to pollution from or through the atmosphere. States shall enforce, within the airspace under their sovereignty, or with regard to vessels flying their flag or vessels or aircraft of their registry, their laws and regulations adopted in accordance with Article 212, paragraph 1, and with other provisions of this convention, and shall adopt laws and regulations, and take other measures necessary to implement applicable international rules and standards established through competent international organizations or diplomatic conference to prevent, reduce and control pollution of the marine environment from or through the atmosphere, in conformity with all relevant international rules and standards concerning the safety of air navigation.